need a green screen but don't have the space or can't afford one, then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below. Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today I'll be showing you how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails for free. Now this tutorial will be specifically for Gmail. Other email clients and webmail should have similar options to this. That's if they're anything decent. This is Gmail we're talking about here right now, and if it can't compete with what Gmail has to offer for free, well, then it's probably pretty shitty. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Gmail account. Once you have your Gmail account open, you just locate the All Mail tab over on the left, and this will show you every single mail that you have, and then you can find which mails you want to delete. So we will go with anything from Quora. I don't want their emails anymore. Now when you click on one of their emails, you may find that they have an unsubscribe button at the bottom. You can use that. Now if the email doesn't have an unsubscribe button, then I'll show you another way to filter out all those emails. What you want to do is you want to search for whatever emails you're trying to look for. So we'll just do one for Quora, and it will show all the emails from Quora. And now what you can do is you can select every one of those, and then you click on the three dots and filter messages like these, and it should automatically fill in the email addresses for Quora. And then you can set it so that you can have other parameters in it, like words or whatever, but you just click on create filter, and then you can skip the inbox. You can mark it as red. I'll put all of them marked as red. You can even have it deleted, but I will just have it sent to spam. And there we have it. Once you select that, you can keep all these emails, but it won't be bothering anymore. But you can still get them. But if you want to never get them anymore, you just select delete it. But for now, I'm just going to select never. I will select the option of, well, let's see, never marked as important, and we will apply this to all the matching conversations, and we'll just have it deleted. So there we go. That is how you can delete unwanted emails. And there you go. So now when you go to the trash, you'll find that all those emails are in here. Just like I created a filter for Twitter. When I want to check Twitter, I will only do so in Twitter and not in Gmail. So now we can select every one of those conversations, and then I can delete it forever, and it will delete everything. Of course, your other option is to mark things as spam, and then it will go to your spam, but it may not be as reliable as the filter. And of course, in spam, everything after 30 days gets deleted, so that's your other option. But thanks for watching this tutorial, and until next time, peace.